Hi everyone, this is a video about this Sony Walkman that is different than the other ones that I showed you before. Is somehow new. Some of the designs of latest models. Let me see, which one is this? Let's see, yeah. This is for that. And here it is. Let me just take this out of here. This is the Walkman. This one is really simple. It's Sony and the model number is EX522 WM. It stands for Walkman, and EX522 it means only cassette player. And you see, when I'm telling you, Sony has this idea of just putting a hole in there just to see, something blink, which side this one is turning, and it's not even in the center. Can you see that? And these are very small ones. I show you the size comparison. If you just put it in here, it's really a small, but it's thick. You see what I mean? So these are my rants. Please forgive, that I am a little bit, talking too much about these problems that these have. For instance, look at this. This is in near mint condition, and everything is sound, and the belt is good, and the mechanism is normal, like the latest ones that they came in 2002, the last ones. And this is really good, and the battery is here. And it takes one AA battery, negative first and then positive, and then you shut the door, and you put this one for the time being in there. And these ones, again, you have to, because it's head feeder, it means you just put this in here first. You have to be very careful with these. I mentioned in Panasonic's one, if it gets caught to this one, it's going to bend this and it's ruined. So the capstan, is going to bend and is going to be ruined. And this one is very simple. It has nothing special, but it comes also with an inline remote, something like this, that I showed you in my other video. I get other ones that I have as well, so I show you that. You have a hold here, and you have a volume button, and nothing else. This one doesn't have, although the model is higher than, for instance, 505, but 505 has the Dolby, but this one doesn't. As you see, if it had Dolby, it would have been written here. So in here we have some buttons. That is the sound, normal, MB, mega bass, and groove, as all the Sonys. And then we have a function here, and if you press this function and then at the same time you press this, for instance, it goes to auto volume level system, that is protecting your ear. And if you press this one, it goes to blank skip, and you can cue music as well, as many times as you press forward and rewinds. And then this one, it shows the battery and nothing else. That's it. Auto volume and sound. What is that one? Nothing. And this one is the battery. For instance, if you press play, as you see, this one, the mechanism is like EX or FX 570 and 571, which is the FX, and see, is loud. Auto reverse is loud. And then fast forward and rewind. This is fast forward. It's gone to the end and it's going to go to the other side, auto reverse it. And then this one is the stop and this one is the rewind. Stop and play. Let me just turn the volume down and then play it. Play some song here. Okay. And then the sound. And this is normal mega bass. And this one is the groove. Auto reverse and then going back and then Q. For instance, now it just does 2 beeps.
HAPP.
And is queuing for the next one and the skip. Let me just put the skip. Was it? No, that was the auto volume. Yeah, this one was the skip. A skip blank. Yeah. These are made for young people. Can you see how small they are? How can someone read these? I don't know. Anyhow, let's go rewind. This is rewind, yeah. So this is not bad. I mean, it is good looking, but these are the trend at that time that it came out. That they come with a bag like this, and that's it. So this is, I think there are 505 as well. So I'm going to record another video about my 505 as well. So they look good, but you know, if they had a little bit of plastic, you know, protrusion or metal protrusion, when you at least when you put it, you know, bottom down, it wouldn't scratch this. But unfortunately, it's flat and it's going to be scratched a lot. And this is all functionality, that which is nothing really. But the sound quality is good, but again, it makes loads of noise when it plays songs. Anyhow, the price of this goes from, if it's in good condition like this one, it goes from 30 up to 50 pounds. Do not pay more than 50 pounds for this, because it's very simple, no Dolby, no radio, nothing. It's just, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy my videos, share them and then like them, or if you dislike them, let me know. But for the time being, this is a video about this Sony Walkman that is very basic, but is good looking, and it takes the battery inside. Anyway, thanks for watching. Until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and excuse my rants. Have a great day.